Okay, we're coming down the home stretch for week number 4 where we've been learning about storage. And this is going to be a really cool thing to learn about. I really enjoyed learning about it, and I hope you do too. And that is the Google data centers. Because really, when you stop and you think about it, how does Google, which also encompasses YouTube, because Google owns YouTube, how does Google store all of its data? And not only that, how do they do what they do? Like what kind of computing power does it take to be Google and to be YouTube, where they serve tons and tons, thousands, millions of videos and millions of search requests. And they do all that. They have all the information about everything that's on the web. Like holy cow! How do they store all of that data? How do they access it? And they do it with having proprietary, obviously, like top secret proprietary hardware infrastructure, which allows all of our requests of Google, like show me this video, give me information on this search result, which allows all of our all of our requests to be fulfilled by them really pretty instantaneously. So it's a mind-boggling, mind-blowing feat which they have accomplished to be able to serve information to everybody in the world and to be able to have so much information readily available and accessible. And so they have something called Google Data Centers. And there's a couple of videos I'd like you to check out. One is, these are at YouTube, these two videos. The first one is Google opens virtual window into secretive data center, offered by CPS Wire. And I checked out a couple of videos about Google Data Center, and this one was to me the most dynamic and interesting. But Google opens virtual window into secretive data center by CPS Wire. Check out that video. And then also check out this video, Google's Hamina Data Center, Hamina, and that's hosted by Google Green. And so this is an official Google video. And then the last thing to look at, just because it's interesting, is you could go to worldwideweb.google.com/about data centers, or just go to Google itself and search for Google data centers. And that will give you the current link to the data centers where you can see a little bit of information about their data centers. But these videos right here are really the most important things. And if you want more info, you could go there. So check out these two videos. I hope you enjoy them. It's pretty dang fascinating and amazing, just the physical infrastructure that they use to serve all the requests. And really what we're looking at here is just a whole bunch of computers. When they talk about servers, they're just pretty much just like a PC, but a little bit more powerful. But they just have thousands and thousands and thousands of them. And for all of those servers, they need to provide electricity, and they also need to provide cooling, because when you get that many computers in a tight location, they produce a lot of heat. And so how do they provide the electricity demands and how do they provide the cooling demands for those computers is an interesting story. All right, hope you enjoy those videos.